welcome back to hopefully what's going to be a full vlog today. We have just walked along the beachfront and already had breakfast, and we've currently stopped at this resort that we just sort of happened to come across. So our plan is pretty much we're going to have a few drinks here, chill for a little bit longer, and then we're going to head up the beach and go and take a little look, see what's around. But so far, so good. Got some chill time. I'm going to leave Chloe reading her book. She's quite happy sitting there for pretty much the rest of the day. And I'm going to take the 100 to 400 and the 1DX and go grab some shots.
As Nathan said, I'm just chilling while he grabs some shots. I'm quite happy sat here reading my book, let him do all the hard work, to be fair.
So we finished up here and we're going to now head out and find some food. So we just walked along the beach and we just kept walking. We didn't really know where we were going, and we've walked miles away from anywhere to try and find a tuk-tuk and then head back actually to where we're staying. Cool, so we finally made it to the restaurant. To get around Thailand, we use Grab, or at least we use it as a base price. So basically Grab is kind of like Uber. Because we're 17 minutes away, we didn't really want to walk it back. So we always look at the price on Grab first, and then we head over to taxi drivers or tuk-tuk drivers and see if we can get the price like lowered a little bit. Most of the time you can do, you normally knock off either 100 or 200 Thai baht. So our journey here was actually only 2 minutes, and Grab was going to charge us 300 Thai baht, which works out at £7.50 something. And we went over to a tuk-tuk driver who I managed to wave down, and he was charging us 30 Thai baht, which I got down to 20, which works out as 50p. So it's always worth just looking at one and looking at the other. I don't know why Grab was going to charge us so much for such a short journey. Maybe they've got very limited drivers out here. I'm not really sure. Anyway, we're going to have some lunch now and then we'll head back out straight after. Cool, so we've just come back out and we've actually headed straight back to the beach that we were sat on earlier. But the tide's gone so far out. Chloe just made a good point. She just said that that is so slippy. It's weird to think that this is actually the seabed for pretty much most of the day. We were going to go and explore, but Chloe's decided to kick a rock. Now our foot's bleeding, so we're going to go to the resort that we were staying at, or sat at earlier. Let's see if they've got any plasters. Beach DIY. He doesn't even have any goggles on. He has no goggles on, no nothing. He's getting treated for a war wound. Chloe did very well. She was very brave. I have to say, we weren't expecting that at all. They did loads of stuff. They did antibacterial, alcoholic gel stuff. I don't know. They did loads. We were just expecting a plaster, but
I wasn't expecting full-blown treatment. Had like 3 of them on the go, trying to help me. Little cut, that's what it was.
So anyway, take 2 of the exploration. Chloe's going to stay away from the rocks now, but we're going to head over here and go and have a look at the boats that are now just sort of stuck. I actually can't believe it. They're still welding away. Cool, so we're going to head back now. We've been to quite a few beaches since we've been travelling. In the last sort of 3 months we've been to so many. But I have to say we went to Cambodia and we went to Koh Rong. That was one of the nicest places we went to. So we went to a place called Long Beach. That I have to say was one of the nicest beaches we've been on, and this is very much on par with that. So if you're ever in Krabi and around this area, definitely come and check it out. We chose here over the other beaches like around the area because we just wanted it a bit more out of the way. There's less tourists that kind of come here. It's less kind of well known at the moment. If you're ever in the area, definitely check it out because it is one of the nicest beaches we've been to.
That's it from us today. We're going to now sit back and watch sunset, and we'll see you tomorrow.